Hello, this is Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to talk about how to add a tree view to your project in Tom Sawyer Perspectives. A tree view represents a model as a collapsible hierarchical tree structure, and tree nodes are the building blocks for creating the hierarchical structure of the tree view. A tree node has a parent tree node, an optional label, a value, a renderer, and an optional editor. The parent tree node specifies the position of the tree node in the hierarchy, and the renderer controls how to display the value of the tree node. You can enable or disable interactive capabilities in the tree view. And if editing is enabled, the editor controls how attribute values can be interactively changed. In today's video, we're going to show how to add a tree view to this example application which manages an IT network for a large enterprise. We go to Perspectives Designer and we can see the project definition here on the left side. We are going to add a new view and we will select Tree View and click OK. Now we're going to select the domain. The domain acts as a filter upon the model. And so today we're going to select outlet because that is the type of data that we want to show in our tree view. Next we're going to select outlet and add tree node so that we have an element in our tree for each outlet that we have in our data model. Now we're going to configure the tree node. So we have the ID for each tree node. We also need to say which tree that is going to be in. In this case, we have everything in one tree, so we'll use the root tree node. Next, we need to specify the data that's going to show in our tree. So we're going to open the expression builder, which has our attributes from our schema. We're going to select the store attribute, add a comma, and then add the country attribute as well. And then we'll click OK, and now we've defined the data that will show in the tree. The tree view also provides preferences for highlighting, tooltips, and tab appearance. Today we will take the defaults. Now the tree view is fully defined and we can add it to our dashboard. So we're going to go to View Layout and we're going to add the tree view here. And there is our new tree view. Let's go to the web preview and see how it looks. And here is our application with a new tree view here on the left side. Let's go ahead and select one of the items. And you can see how the views are synchronized. So when we select an item in our tree, we're also taken to the same element in both the drawing and the map views. And we see the details of this element in the inspector in the left bottom corner of the application. Now we're going to return to the designer so we can sort the items in our tree. So we're going to go to the tree definition, and we're going to add a new model rule. So we're going to select model rule, then we're going to add an action to sort the children. Here we're going to specify that we want to sort all of the nodes, so we're going to select root tree node. And then here is where we define how we do the sorting. So we are going to choose descending order by attribute and specify which attribute we want to sort by. In this case, we're going to choose gross sales. So now we're going to have a sorting of the tree nodes based on the gross sales of each outlet. Let's return to the web preview and see the updated results. And now there is our tree view with the items sorted by the gross sales at that outlet location. In addition to what we've seen today, toolbars and context menus can be added to a tree view. And also attributes can be edited directly in the tree view as well. We're going to take a look at this example application for police investigation to see how a tree view can be used for filtering data. In this case, we're able to select or deselect which precincts we want to show the data for. So let's deselect the East Precinct, and we can see how the data disappears from the drawing view, map view, and chart view. Let's do that again for the North Precinct. And again, we can see how the different data visualization views are synchronized. In today's video, we discuss the benefits of the tree view available in Tom Sawyer Perspectives. We added a tree view to an application and then we updated it. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives.